I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I'd like to talk about a potential tax change that can really impact somebody's estate plan. Now, the new president, President Biden, clearly has a different outlook on taxes than our prior president, President Trump. And one of the proposed tax changes that he is talking about has to do with basis and a stepped up basis. What does that mean? And what does that mean for the average person who might be inheriting something? Well, here you go. First, basis is a term used in tax and in the IRS, and it has to do with a capital contribution or the amount of capital that went into a certain property. For instance, say you purchased your home for $100,000. Therefore, the starting basis for the home is $100,000. Now, for years and currently, the tax code allowed when property transferred at death, the folks who were going to get the property got the benefit of the stepped up basis. Example, I purchased a home for $100,000. I lived there for 10 years. I pass away and the home is now worth $200,000. So, on the date of my death, the stepped up basis would be $200,000, and my home could pass to the folks that I want my home to pass to without any tax consequences between the $100,000 that I purchased the house for and the $200,000 that the house was worth at the time of my death. So there are proposals that they're going to change the tax law to stop the ability to take credit for the stepped up basis. So what that could mean is that my heirs would have to pay tax on the increase or the capital gain on that home between $100,000 and $200,000. This is not yet in the law. This is one of the reasons when you go and see a estate planning lawyer and you go into the estate planning lawyer says, hey, I would like to put my daughter or my son on my home so that when I pass away, they automatically get the home. And we say, you need to understand that there are tax consequences for that because when they go to sell the house, they're going to have to look at the basis when you initially purchased the house, and so they did not get the benefit of any stepped up basis. So that's why most estate planning lawyers will say, well, you want to do something a little bit different. Either you want to have a transfer on death deed, or you want to put the home in a trust, or you want the home to pass through your will, but you really don't want the home to be put in your kid's name when you are still alive because they will not realize the benefit of this concept called a stepped up basis, and they might be responsible for the difference in the taxes because of the capital gain in the home. So there you have it. It's not law yet, but it's something that you're really going to have to think about. And if it goes into law, then you might have to look at your estate, talk to your lawyer, and potentially try to do something else to assist with the tax consequences. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana estate plan, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.